Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In our previous video, we have showed you that how you can add your domain in your Cloudflare account and how to manage your DNS record. Now we will show you how you can create a subdomain while your domain is added in Cloudflare. So now if we try to create subdomain normally as we create, we'll come to our domains, then create a domain. Here we'll add a subdomain test.tzsmm.xid. If we use our hosting's name server, by default the subdomain should have been created, but if we visit this, you can see it's not loading. That means our IP hasn't been added to our subdomain. We can test it using Wiz service. So if we visit wiz.tzsmm.com, here we have to select DNS lookup and we have to paste our subdomain name and we have to query DNS. You can see there is no a record. It's Cloudflare's default record. So for that we have to go to our Cloudflare account, then DNS records. Here we have to add a record, and in the name we have to add the subdomain's name. Like for this it's test. You have to copy and paste. Here you can see it's showing our full domain name. Here you have to add the IP address. You can select proxy status on or off, it's fully up to you. I am turning off for now. And if we add the record, now if we visit our domain, you can see our domain simply loaded. We are not getting the error anymore. Thus within few seconds you can make your subdomain live using Cloudflare. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our today's video.